Imagine stepping outside your back door to a space that feels like a true extension of your home, a place where you can relax in the sun, entertain friends, or enjoy a quiet evening under the stars. Creating your dream patio may seem like a daunting project, but with concrete pavers, the process becomes both achievable and incredibly rewarding. Today, let's explore how you can transform your outdoor space using concrete pavers, turning your backyard into a beautiful and functional retreat you'll love for years to come. Why choose concrete pavers? The answer is simple: versatility, affordability, and durability. Concrete pavers are designed to withstand the elements, resist cracking, and maintain their beauty over time. They come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, colors, and textures, allowing you to customize your patio to match your personal style and the character of your home. Whether you're envisioning a sleek modern look or a rustic old-world charm, there's a paver to suit your vision. The journey to your dream patio begins with inspiration. Start by imagining how you'll use the space. Do you want a cozy nook for reading, a large area for dining and entertaining, or a combination of both? Consider the flow of your yard and how the patio will connect with your home, garden, or pool. Browse magazines, websites, and social media for patio designs that catch your eye. Pay attention to shapes. Do you prefer clean lines and geometric patterns, or are you drawn to curves and organic layouts? Once you have a vision, it's time to plan. Measure your available space and sketch out a basic design. Think about features you might want to include: a fire pit, built-in seating, planters, or even a pergola for shade. Mark the boundaries of your future patio with stakes and string, or use a garden hose to outline curves. This simple step helps you visualize the final result and make adjustments before you begin. Next comes the exciting part: choosing your pavers. Concrete pavers come in an array of options. Classic rectangular pavers create a timeless look, while larger square or plank-style pavers offer a contemporary feel. You can mix and match colors for a unique pattern, or keep it uniform for a clean and cohesive appearance. Textured pavers mimic the look of natural stone or brick, adding depth and character to your patio. Don't forget to explore border and accent pavers, which frame your patio and highlight special features. Now, let's talk about preparation, the foundation of a long-lasting patio. Start by removing grass, plants, and debris from the area. Dig down to a depth of 6 to 8 inches depending on your climate and soil type. This ensures room for a solid base that will keep your patio level and stable through the years. Add a layer of crushed stone or gravel, spreading it evenly and compacting it thoroughly. This base layer allows water to drain and prevents your pavers from shifting or sinking. On top of the gravel, add a layer of coarse sand and smooth it out. The sand provides a cushion for your pavers and helps you achieve a perfectly level surface. With your base prepared, it's time to start laying pavers. Begin at one edge and work your way across, placing each paver tightly against the next. Use a rubber mallet to tap them into place, ensuring they are level and secure. Don't be afraid to take your time. Precision here will pay off in the finished patio. Once all the pavers are in place, fill the gaps between them with joint sand. Sweep the sand over the surface, allowing it to fall into the cracks. This locks the pavers together and prevents weeds from growing through. For added stability, consider using a polymeric sand, which hardens when moistened and further resists weeds and shifting. With the hard work complete, it's time to add the finishing touches that make your patio truly yours. Arrange furniture to create inviting conversation areas or dining spaces. Add outdoor rugs for color and comfort, and scatter cushions and throws for a touch of coziness. String lights overhead or place lanterns around the perimeter to create a magical atmosphere in the evenings. Plants and greenery bring life and freshness to your patio. Consider adding potted plants, hanging baskets, or built-in planters filled with your favorite flowers, herbs, or shrubs. Tall grasses and climbing vines can provide privacy and soften the edges of your space. For a low-maintenance option, choose drought-tolerant plants or succulents. If you love to entertain, consider adding features like a fire pit, built-in grill, or outdoor kitchen. A fire pit becomes the centerpiece for gatherings, offering warmth and a place to roast marshmallows on cool nights. An outdoor kitchen makes it easy to host barbecues and dinner parties without missing the fun. Even a simple bistro table and chairs can transform your patio into the perfect spot for morning coffee or an intimate dinner. Remember, your dream patio is more than just a place to sit. It's a place to live. Personalize it with decorative accents that reflect your style. Hang artwork or mirrors on nearby walls, display sculptures or wind chimes, and add a water feature for soothing sounds. Outdoor curtains or a shade sail can provide relief from the sun and add a touch of elegance. Don't forget about maintenance. Concrete pavers are easy to care for. Simply sweep regularly to remove debris and rinse with water as needed. For stubborn stains, a mild detergent and soft brush will usually do the trick. Periodically check for weeds or moss and remove them promptly. If a paver becomes damaged, it can be easily replaced without disturbing the rest of your patio. Finally, take a step back and enjoy what you've created. Your dream patio, built with concrete pavers, is now a reality. A versatile, durable, and beautiful space that adds value to your home and enhances your lifestyle. Whether you're hosting lively gatherings, relaxing with family, or savoring quiet moments alone, your patio is the backdrop for memories that will last a lifetime. Embrace the possibilities and start creating your dream patio with concrete pavers today.